From the 24-hour tracking center, this is a winter weather alert.
We are under winter weather advisory until 7 o'clock, so we're within range here of seeing it expire. We very well could see that winter weather advisory expire for several counties, just because for the next few hours we're going to see a lull in the precipitation. You can already see that from Benton Harbor, stretching up the I-94 corridor through Kalamazoo and Battle Creek, and most of the snow is far to the north of Grand Rapids. Even Muskegon now looking like we're reporting light rain showers instead of light snow showers. Now, as we go on throughout the next few hours, we are going to continue to see changes. So let's go ahead and take Storm Track Live full. And I want you to find your county, find your town, and keep an eye on what's happening here as we zoom around. So again, Muskegon and areas north of Muskegon now transitioning over to that rain. Greenville shortly behind, probably seeing just a little bit of sleet at the surface. And then you can see that drier air that's working on in. And if we zoom all the way out here, you'll notice that we are getting close to the back edge of this system. So in the next few hours, we're going to start to see those rain showers lessen in intensity. They're going to become much more sporadic. But again, that's going to be short-lived as we see this storm system pivot. We're once again going to be on the cold side, and we'll begin to see some snow showers wrap in for our day on Sunday. So here's a look at your futurecast starting at 7 o'clock. Now, you might look at this and say, well, there's a lot more rain on the radar right now than it even has at 7 o'clock. That's true, but there are a few things that I really like about this futurecast that I wanted to show you anyways. So even though we don't have as widespread of showers painted on your futurecast, one thing that I really like is where it's placing the freezing line. So this is 7 o'clock, and as we move through the evening to about midnight, notice what happens. Muskegon now on the north side of the freezing line. So we have that pivot that's taking place and that freezing line edging farther south. If we continue on throughout the evening with temperatures staying right about freezing through the entire night, 4 a.m. we should see light snow covering Ionia, Grand Rapids, and then beginning to stretch down as far south as South Haven and Holland. Now along the lakeshore, we could definitely still see some of that mix encompassed and entwined with some of those snowflakes. But by 8 a.m., almost all of us will be seeing light snow. And then throughout the day on Sunday, colder air rushes in, and that colder air is going to lead to lake effect snow showers. So we're thinking accumulation wise, in addition to about 2 inches that we've seen from Fremont north today, we are going to pick up even more snow as we get towards Sunday, especially right around 8 a.m. So your snow futurecast shows some of the areas that have seen the most snow, seeing even more. Grand Rapids could see about 2 inches by the time we're done with Sunday, and then more snow is on tap for Monday and Tuesday because of Arctic air. So plan on 32 in the morning, falling temperatures throughout the day. The reason why we're going to see falling temperatures is because we have our jet stream, which is here, blocking off the cold air, shifting. And instead of it being here, we're going to watch it transition and move just to the south of the Great Lakes region. Long story short, it's going to allow tons of cold air to break free from Canada and roll into our neighborhood. So notice those temperatures in the teens, our lows in the single digits. Some of our wind chills this week could be at or below zero. Highest accumulation day at this point, we're thinking, is Tuesday with a half a foot possible along the lakeshore.